I'ma head out then.
What's up, man? I caught you over here this time. That tent don't want to stay still. That tent moving around. I've been seeing it blowing around the whole night.
What, white tent?
Huh?
White tent or just a tent?
Nah, I'm talking about this, I said I've been seeing this tent blowing around.
I know,
I'm like, he can't keep it still.
I'm trying to hold it.
That wind ain't gonna let you make it. Yes, sir. My first demo with the new ones there, man. But I ain't got to demo with nobody out here.
Jimmy Jones, you what you for, brother? You can't let my water. You know how the soul is fine, but we do beat you. I be behind you, but no beat you, man, you ballin'. Can't let my water. Know how the soul is fine. Jimmy, young boy, we just run by 5, 6, 10 ratchets. 10 niggas with them, 10 ratchets. Dead niggas with them, dead niggas with them.
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir.
Them 18s, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's NSV6.
NSV6 is on 2 salt 12 days.
Yes, sir, man. So now, let them know where they can follow you at. You got something else? Okay.
Put that on. Put that on.
Yeah, it's still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
I sure appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.